Hey guys, Brittany Shull here from the Johnson Home Team, and today I have
Nick Koenig, Heartland Inspections.
He is our home professional, know-it-all, tip giver. And we are in a custom-built home by Price Custom Homes here in Plymouth. And today we are giving you guys some homeowner life hacks. Hey Nick, can you please tell our homeowners how to best maintain their gas fireplace?
Sure. On the newer fireplaces, there aren't a lot of things you have to do. And just so you know, there are two different types of fireplaces.
Okay.
There's ones with a standing pilot light that has a flame that's constantly on, and there's another type, which this is the newer type, which is electronic ignition.
Okay.
And basically, that pilot light for the older type is always on, always running, always doing its thing, 24/7, even if you're not asking for heat. In the summer, it will be on. And I see that a lot as an inspector. I'll come in there, it's like it's on, which is great for me for when I want to test the fireplace. But really, you should just shut it off. In the summer months, in the warmer months, in the months you don't need this.
Sure.
And you shut it off with that valve down there.
Okay.
Basically, it's a good idea to shut it off here. And you can also, usually there's a manifold in the basement where you can shut it off too. A valve that looks just the same thing right there. You can shut it off in both spots.
Okay.
Yep.
And so not only is this hack free, but it can save you money.
Yes, you know, $2, $3, $4 a month.
Adds up quickly.
Yeah, free coffee.
Awesome homeowner life hack here. As Nick said, you can save a couple dollars a month by just shutting off the gas valve on your fireplace in months that you're not using it. That's a free cup of coffee.